In this video, we will learn about passing an arbitrary number of arguments in Python. Sometimes you won't know ahead of time how many arguments a function needs to accept. Python allows a function to collect an arbitrary number of arguments from the calling statement. Let's see example of it. For example, I have a function programming. It will print the programming language's name. It can be as one programming or more than one programming languages. So I'm just gonna put the asterisk sign and programming languages, and then I'm going to print this programming language. It can be just one or multiple programming languages. So I'm just gonna do programming language. This function parameter with asterisk sign programming language. This parameter collects as many arguments as the calling line provides. The way we are going to call and the number of arguments we are going to send all will be printed over here. Let's see how to do that, and just need to make a call. Example programming, and then I'm just going to pass a single programming name Python, and with the next call I'm just passing more arguments separated by commas, such as Python, Java, and C++. And we just need to save our script and run. And to execute our script, I can type Python 3 and the name of my script arb.py, and you can see it printed the one argument and also those three argument that we sent. The asterisk in the parameter name programming languages tell Python to make an empty tuple called programming languages and pack whatever value it's receiving into the tuple. The print call in the function body produces output showing that Python can handle a function call with one value and a call with three values. This way, we can pass an arbitrary number of arguments in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.